Hello guys, welcome to this video. So I will introduce to a new package in React.js which allows you to change your date and time to any time zone in the world. So if you want to convert your local time to any country's time or time zone, you can use this package, which is a date time specific library, Luxon, Luxon. If you just go to npmjs.com and just search for this package, the spelling is Luxon. Luxon, it's a date library, I think. So the very first link which appears, this is actually the command to install this, and almost it is having 10 million weekly downloads. It's pretty popular library. The main uses of this library is to parse, format your dates and convert the time zone to different countries. So this is actually the application I built. I'm just showing the current date and time, which is my local time. So we have these two buttons out there. If you want to change to London time or New York time, so we have these two buttons. If I click this button, the time will be changed to UK time, which is London. If I want to change it to US New York time, so I will simply click and it will now display the time which is inside New York. So this is kind of a simple application. Now to get started, just create a simple functional component. And to use this, we just import the package first of all by using the import function. And we have this date time function available from Luxon. We are importing it using the import statement. And now we just need to use this. So it will be displaying the current date and time. So we can easily display the current date and time inside these curly brackets. We simply say current. So for this, we do need to declare a state variable for this. We simply say current date time, set current date time, and using the use state hook for this. And we'll be using the date time. This class, it contains this function. Now it will basically show the current date and time. So here we can simply show this variable in the JSX and then convert this into local string, and then inside this pass date time dot date time. So what happens, if you refresh, it will show you the current date and time in this format. So we add two buttons here to actually change this date and time zone to two different countries, to London and New York. So we have basically passing this on click listener to this custom function that we will define, and we are passing these two different time zones. So you can add more buttons as well for changing to different countries. So we are providing these time zones. So now we just need to define this function, handle change time zone. So we basically get the time zone as an argument passed. So inside this, we need to construct the new date and time. For doing this, we take the current date and time, and it contains a function set zone, and we set this to this time zone, and then we set the current date and time to this new date and time. So basically what we are doing, we are using this date time function, which is coming from this package Luxon. If you see, it contains this function which contains the current date and time. Then it actually contains this function, basically this function to set the time zone to this time zone which is selected. And then lastly, if you refresh now, what it will do, if I click this button now, it will change the time to this current country. Again, if I click to New York, it will change the time. So it's a very simple application related to date and time. If you want to find out a specific date and time in any country, you can use this package in React.js. Very simple app, but I wanted to show you this example. So thank you very much for watching this video, and do check out my website as well, freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools regarding audio, video and image. And I will be seeing you in the next video.